Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So one of my subscribers made a request rather in one of my videos, and this is the request right here. He said, Master, can you do a comprehensive scalping rally-based rally or drop-based drop strategy, or rally-based drop, drop-based rally, putting into consideration base patterns such as wedge, channels, triangles, and candlesticks such as momentum and pin bar. Okay, and I promised I was going to respond with a video, so this is that video that I promised. Now the thing is, you are mixing a whole lot of concepts up. Rally based rally, drop based drop, rally based drop, all of that is under supply and demand strategy. Okay, you having channels, triangles, wedges, flags, all those kind of stuff, that's a different concept entirely, so you shouldn't be mixing them up. Okay, so channels, wedges, triangles, and all those things, all of that is not there. I don't even think there's, okay, we have triangles, what's it called, ascending triangles, descending triangles, ascending channels, descending channels, all of those stuff are under chart patterns. Okay, and we have two types of chart patterns. We have the reversal chart patterns and we have the continuation chart patterns. Now, chart patterns is a different ball game compared to what? Compared to what's it called? Supply and demand zone. So don't put the two together. Then you have candlestick pattern separately. Candlestick pattern is the only thing you can incorporate into either supply and demand zone strategy or chart pattern strategy. Okay, so let me quickly go to live charts and show you some things that I believe you need to know. Okay, now look at this. Price made a rally right here. Look at this. Price made a rally, moving up like this, formed a flag. So this is like a flag, all right, moving downwards like a pullback, and then broke that flag to continue upwards. Now this is a chart pattern, a continuation chart pattern. All right, this has nothing to do with rally based rally. Okay, if you call this a base, then you have mixed everything up. It's not supposed to be. A fundamental difference between what's it called, a continuation pattern and a supply and demand zone. The fundamental difference is that when you're dealing with supply and demand zone, after you have marked out your zone, when price comes back to that zone, price is expected to shoot away from that zone. Okay, if it's a supply zone, when price comes back there, price is expected to give us a sell trade. If it's a demand zone, when price comes back there, price is expected to give us a buy trade. But once you've drawn a flag, for example, or a channel, or a wedge, or what do you have, ascending triangle, descending triangle, whatever, once price has moved away from there, we are not expecting price to come back there and give us a trade later. No. Can you see the difference? So let me show you something. I've marked out a demand zone here. Look at this. This is a drop based rally. Price dropped, gave us a base. The base is always in a sideways form. Okay, the base for supply and demand zone is usually sideways. So these are fundamental differences. Usually sideways. You just have like small candles forming a consolidation. All right, that gives us the base. Then when price shoots away from there, we confirm that yes, this is a zone we are expecting price to come back to in order to give us a buy trade. And look at what happened. Look at what happened. Price tapped into that zone right here, and what happened? We had an opportunity to go long. Can you see that? So these are fundamental differences you need to understand. Don't mix them up together. Okay, chart patterns is different from rally based rally, rally based drop, drop based rally, drop based drop. All of those ones are supply and demand zone. I hope that is clear enough for you to understand. So you are not supposed to mix them up. If you have any question, you can still ask me. As for candlestick, pin bar, all of those ones are for extra confirmation. Okay, so if you are looking to buy, okay, you're looking to buy from a particular zone, you can wait for maybe what's it called, for a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern to form. When it forms, that gives you like an extra confirmation that the price wants to start moving in the upwards direction. So candlestick patterns mostly when you want to incorporate them with systems like supply and demand, or systems like candlestick, or systems like chart patterns, those ones are basically for confirmations. Okay, so I hope that answered your question. If you have any other question, you can ask me in the comments section. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I still have my master strategy. If you want to get a strategy, I'll drop a link in the description of this video. I'm telling you, you are doing yourself a great disservice if you have not gotten master teams, master strategy that can make you profitable instantly. Okay, so you don't need to wait many years before you become profitable. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.